In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the grills on this BMW 535i xDrive. This is going to be located in your front bumper. Let's get into it. We're going to take this panel off. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Just get underneath here. Just pry up. There's just clips holding it on. Just pop that up. There we go. You can see the clips holding that on. Using a T30 socket, we're going to take these screws out. We're going to remove this panel, use a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen up these screws. You only loosen them about one turn. They're going to stay in the panel. There's one there. And those two. And grab the panel, just slide it back. On the inner fender well, we're going to take these lower screws out, use an 8mm socket. Take those out. Should be another one there. There. And just grab this panel, pull it down. We're going to do the same on the other side. Take these two screws out, use an 8mm socket. Take those out. Underneath we have two screws, we'll take these out, use the 8mm socket. Right there. Right there. This shield, just pull this out. The connector for the fog light, you want to just squeeze the tabs on the side, disconnect that, do the same on the other side. Using an 8mm socket, take these bolts out. I'm just turning the wheel out of the way, but you can take the wheel off if you would like. Use a 8mm socket. We're going to take some of these bolts out on the side. And the inner fender well. This one right there. That's all set. Pull this inner fender well out a little bit. You can see where you can access some of the other screws in there. It's the same 8mm socket. Right there. Right there. That's good. Now we're just going to grab the bumper and firmly give it a tug. Just pop this out. And you're going to do the same on the other side. Just grab the front of the bumper, and it comes right off. And we're going to take the grill off. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. There's some clips right here. Just push those clips in while I'm pulling the grill towards the front. That down. And the other clips you can see from up top here. of the grill, it slides right forward. Take the grill, line it up, clip it in place, and then you can do the same for the other side. I take the bumper cover, just slide it in place. Lock that in place. And do the same on the other side. Take the 2 screws, get those started. And tighten these down. Get this screw started. Tighten that down, and the other 2. Tighten those down. Do the same on the other side. Take these screws, get these lined up. Secure those down. Snug them up. There we go. Take the connector for the fog light, plug that in, and do the same on the other side. We'll take this brake cooler, just slide this over, that lined up. And take the bolts, get those started. Snug those down. And get the bolts started. Snug these down. Take this shield, get this lined up. And get these, snug those down. One more right there. That's good. Do the same on the other side. Take this panel, push that in place. Get the screws started. And just snug those down. About 1 turn. Yep. Now put the screws in. Get these started. Snug these down. I'll take this trim piece, line this up, and push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.